In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Outlook email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add files from your computer or cloud storage so they arrive the way you expect. First, open Outlook in your web browser and sign in. From your inbox, look toward the top left and start a new message. Click New and then choose Mail. This opens the Compose window where you'll build your email. Before attaching anything, fill in the basics. Add your recipient in the To field, include a clear subject, and then click into the main message area so your cursor is active in the body. This helps ensure your attachments land with the message you're composing and keeps you focused on the right window. A quick tip: a descriptive subject line like Q2 report for review makes it easier for recipients to find your email later. Now, let's add your files. In the message toolbar, select Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Attach File. This brings up your options for where the file will come from. You'll see choices to browse your computer or pull from cloud storage, such as OneDrive. If the file lives on your device, pick the option to browse your computer, navigate to the folder, and select the file you want. You can select more than one if needed. After you confirm, you'll see the attachments appear in the Compose window, ready to send. If your document is stored in OneDrive, choose that cloud location instead. When Outlook offers how to attach it, select Attach as Copy. This is important. Attach as Copy sends the actual file with your email, so your recipients receive a standard attachment they can download and keep. If you only share a cloud link, people might need permission to view it, and the file could update later, which isn't always what you want. Attach as Copy avoids those issues by including a snapshot of the document at the time you send it. A few helpful notes before you move on. Large files may trigger Outlook to suggest sharing from OneDrive. That's normal, but if you want the file included with the email and it's within size limits, choose Attach as Copy. Make sure your file name is clear and final, and double check that each attachment listed is the correct version. If something looks off, you can remove the attachment and repeat the attach steps. That's it. You've opened a new message, entered your details, used Insert to attach files, and when using cloud storage, selected Attach as Copy so your documents are included with the email. You're now ready to finish your message and confidently share your documents in Outlook.